What's up, Low Sugar fam? Today we're covering how to hold a chef knife, 2 basic cutting techniques, and how to cut food without cutting yourself.
Today we have our chef knives. It's the lucky knife that you're gonna use in every form and every single day. So highly recommend spending your investment, something that you're gonna use day in and day out. First, we are going to pinch the blade with our thumb and our index finger. And the last 3 fingers of our hand will be wrapping around the handle. This will allow you to index the blade with your forearm. So everywhere my forearm will go, that blade goes right along with it. Also, when we get to something a little bit more firm, like the end of this carrot, you have to put a lot more pressure onto the blade. That blade's not gonna roll in your hand. Once again, pinching the blade is gonna give us that stability and allow us to index the knife. We'll show you a few cutting techniques. The first one,
The rock chop.
nice firm pressure as we draw the knife forward and press down at that same time. Now, with the belly of the knife still connected with the cutting board, push down and forward, lift up and back, down and forward, up and back, and then repeat. And again, on this guide hand, hold our veggie, lightly roll those fingertips back. That way we can cut that food without cutting ourselves. Other technique we're gonna talk about today is
The back slice.
using the tip of this knife, point and drag that knife. And just like that, you have how to hold your chef knife and how to use it. With
Woohoo!
all of these techniques, remember to start slow and focus on your form first. Thanks for watching today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe so you'll get notifications when we put out a new video. If you want to check out the day-to-day in our kitchen, follow our stories at Low Sugar Fitness on either Instagram or Facebook.